Hello, my dear friends. Just imagine you are in the middle of the valley, that too border of our nation in Himalaya, having minus 14 degrees centigrade temperature. One side hills with the 10 to 15 meters high, another side again 10 to 15 meters deep quarries. By holding rifle in your hand, expecting that enemies are yet to come now to fight against. Along with this, by carrying 20 to 25 kgs of bomb, food, rifle to your back. It is highly impossible, isn't it, guys? But it is possible for our Indian army. Yes, they do. So, today I am here to explore one of our greatest hero who sacrificed his life to our nation. I heartily welcome you all to NK War, which brings up with positive attitude. Kargil War, which held in the year of 3rd May 1999 to 26th July 1999. There is a lot of heroistic soldier stories are there to explore. One of them is Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, who born on 25th June 1975. When he appeared for the army selection, he cracked all the tests in first attempt. Only one thing left, that is interview. In his interview, one of the interviewer questions that, "Why so you came here? You are good at studies, good at all academic year performance. You are so good student. You deserve more salary than what we are paying here. Why can't you try somewhere else? And why so your eye on this army?" Followed by these questions, he replies, "Yes sir, I do deserve the more salary, but I have an ambition that to sacrifice myself to my motherland and to get Paramavira Chakra, which is available only in this sector. Please sir, please let me have chance to pay something back to my nation." Yes, listeners, he didn't mean that to get only the award, but to pay tribute to his motherland, that is, our motherland, is only the aim he had actually. Paramavira Chakra is a highest gallantry award for officers and other enlisted personnel of all military branches of India for the highest degree of value in the presence of the enemy. This word literally from Sanskrit. It means Param means ultimate, Veer means brave, and Chakra means wheel. Totally it sounds wheel of ultimate brave. I think God heard this guy's loudest wish. Followed by 2-year Kargil War was held. Only 24 years old Manoj Kumar Pandey took major role in that. During the battle, one of the bullet strikes his right hand, which badly injured but didn't fall down. The injured hand is overhanging. Even though that much of pain he had, he didn't lost his courage. He used to call upon another soldier, that is, "If my hand is hanging like this, I can't fight against them. So remove my belt, tag this hand to my trunk, which is easy for me to fight." After some time, his head met with the bullet and his soul left his body. In the sense, he died. During his last breath, he screamed, "Don't let them go! Don't let them go! Kill them all! And announce this valley belongs to us." See guys, during his last breath, the word spell out from his mouth is awesome. After all this bad time, during the announcement day of Paramavira Chakra for him, one of the lady used to announce that what he wrote in his diary. He wrote, "If death strikes me before I prove my blood, I swear I will kill the death." This sentence is enough to kill the enemy, isn't it, guys? But tragedy part of today's situation is we are not sparing time, at least, to know about their greatness. Of course, we won't get the chance what he got. Of course, we can't fix it. But as much as if we stick with these great things, our mind and heart will stay motivated and towards positivity always. Most and foremost important is paying tribute to this guy is our responsibility as an Indian. I end up this video by giving these information. If you are new to my channel, then consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. Please hit the like button and share this video with friends. Don't forget to comment. Thank you for clicking.